Today, I'm going to show you how to prepare cabbage with eggs in a way that tastes better than meat. Yes, better than meat. If you think cabbage is boring, bland, or only good as a side dish, this recipe will completely change your mind. By the end of this video, you'll understand why this simple meal is affordable, nutritious, and incredibly satisfying. So, whether you're cooking on a budget, trying to eat healthier, or just want something quick and delicious, this recipe is for you.
Before we cook, let me explain why this combination is so powerful. Cabbage has a mild sweetness that comes out when cooked properly. Eggs bring richness, protein, and a savory depth that makes the dish feel hearty, almost like meat. When seasoned the right way, cabbage absorbs flavor like a sponge, and eggs give it that comforting, filling taste people usually associate with meat-based meals. This dish is fast to cook, uses simple ingredients, feels satisfying and filling, and tastes amazing even without meat.
All right, now let's move into the ingredients. Here's what you'll need. 1 medium head of cabbage, 4 to 6 eggs, depending on how rich you want it, 1 medium onion, 2 to 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil or butter, 2 cloves of garlic, optional but highly recommended, 1 teaspoon curry powder, half a teaspoon of paprika or chili powder, salt to taste, black pepper to taste. Optional additions, spring onions, carrots, bell peppers. Simple ingredients, but the magic is in how we use them.
Start by washing your cabbage thoroughly. Remove the outer leaves if they look tough or dirty. Cut the cabbage in half, then into quarters. Now slice it thinly, not chunky. This is important. Thin cabbage cooks faster, becomes tender, and absorbs seasoning better. If the pieces are too thick, the cabbage stays crunchy and won't blend well with the eggs. Once sliced, set it aside.
Crack your eggs into a bowl. Add a pinch of salt, a little black pepper. Beat them gently, don't over-whisk. We want soft, fluffy eggs, not airy foam. Set the eggs aside for later. Place a pan on medium heat. Add your oil or butter. Let it heat, but don't let it smoke. Now add your chopped onions. Pause. Listen to that sound. Sauté the onions slowly until they become soft and slightly golden. This step builds sweetness, and that sweetness is key to making this dish taste rich. Add your garlic next. Stir for about 30 seconds, just until fragrant. Don't let it burn. Now we add our spices. Sprinkle in curry powder, paprika or chili powder, a pinch of black pepper. Stir everything together and let the spices toast lightly in the oil. This step is crucial. When spices cook in oil, their flavor deepens and spreads through the entire dish. This is one of the secrets to making vegetables taste like meat. Now add the sliced cabbage to the pan. At first, it will look like too much. Don't worry. Cabbage shrinks a lot as it cooks. Stir gently to coat the cabbage with the onion, oil, and spices. Add a small pinch of salt now, not too much. Salt helps the cabbage release moisture and soften faster. Cover the pan and let it cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. After that, uncover and stir again. You'll notice, 1. The cabbage has reduced in size. 2. It's becoming glossy. And 3. It smells amazing. Continue cooking for another 3 to 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. You want the cabbage, soft but not mushy, slightly sweet, and well seasoned. At this point, taste it. Adjust salt or pepper if needed. Now comes the magic moment. Reduce the heat slightly. Pour the beaten eggs evenly over the cabbage. Do not stir immediately. Let the eggs sit for about 30 seconds so they can start setting. Now, gently fold everything together. Slow, careful movements. This creates soft egg curds that wrap around the cabbage instead of turning into scrambled egg pieces. Continue folding until the eggs are just cooked, not dry. Overcooked eggs will ruin the texture.
If you're using spring onions, bell peppers, or grated carrots, add them now. Stir gently and cook for just 1 more minute. These add color, freshness, and extra flavor. Turn off the heat.
Take a deep breath. Smell that. The aroma is rich, savory, and comforting, the kind of smell people expect from meat dishes. Take a small taste. You'll notice the cabbage is sweet and tender, the eggs are creamy and satisfying, the spices give it depth and warmth. This is why people say it tastes better than meat. This cabbage and egg dish is incredibly versatile. You can serve it with rice, boiled or fried potatoes, bread, yam, or plantain, or enjoy it on its own as a light meal. It works for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. This recipe proves something important. You don't need expensive ingredients or meat to cook something delicious and filling. With the right technique, seasoning, and patience, simple vegetables can taste incredible. If you enjoyed this recipe, try it at home and make it your own. Add your favorite spices, adjust the heat level, experiment. Thank you for cooking with me today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple and delicious recipes.